Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Photon Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will be talking about top 10 shortcut to make you a Microsoft Teams super user. Now let us go further and explore why do we need a shortcut and why do we need to become a best user. So here's the answer. With more people on Teams than ever, you may be wondering how to become an even bigger super user. We shared our favorite keyboard shortcut that will help you to become or stay efficient. Check out the top 10 shortcuts for meeting, chatting, and navigation. Now, let us go further and talk about our first shortcut that is most compulsory when you are using Microsoft Teams. That is mute call. Certainly, most of the time when you are in meeting, there is certain thing that happens in your home, or certainly you don't want the background noise to be heard in the meeting. So in that case, you will mute the call. How to do that? That is also quite easy. You just have to click on Control, after that Shift, and after that M. So Control, Shift, and M will help you, and you will see in Microsoft Teams your call will be muted. Now let us go further and explore the other shortcut that will help you while you are in meeting. Certainly sometime you want to switch off your camera because there are certain disturbance in your background. Certainly how to do that? That is also very easy. You just have to click on control after that shift and after that O. You will see you during the call your camera will be turned off and nobody could see you through your camera. So this is very helpful feature while you are using Microsoft Teams. So there are other shortcut also that when you are especially when you are chatting and collaborating, that is how to start a new chat. So that is also very easy. You just have to click on Control and N, and you will see in Microsoft Teams there is new dialog box that opens up and shows a new option in which you can start a new chat. So there is another shortcut in which we explained how to edit our last sent message. So it is very easy. Just hit the above arrow key. While hitting the above arrow key, you will see you will edit your last message sent without needing to click on it. So that will help you while you need to edit your message. So now let us go further and talk about another shortcut that will help you in attaching your file. So certainly you have to go and find the pin option in which you will click on open, after that click on drive or upload from the computer that you want to attach your file from. Certainly you don't have to do that. You just have to click on control and O. Then you will see an option opens up that will show you those options in which you can easily upload your file. So there's another shortcut in which we will tell you how to navigate in Microsoft Teams in a very easy manner. So when you are navigating, we want to decrease the number of clicks and quickly get you to where you want to be within Teams. These shortcut will help you move between your chats, Teams and call and search on information quickly. Navigate up and down the left navigation rail. So when you are on activity, you will click on control 1. Yeah, when you are in chat, you have to click on control plus 2. So when you are in Teams, you have to click on control plus 3. So here in the calendar, control plus 4. In the course, control plus 5, and so on. So this shortcut is very helpful. You don't have to navigate through all the options in Microsoft Teams. You just have to click on the control 1, 2, 3 options as in the sequential manner as you required in Microsoft Teams. Now let us go further and we will talk about the another shortcut that will tell you and help you in quick accessing your search bar at the top of Team. So you want to search certain things in your Microsoft Team. How to do that? You have to search the search bar first. So you don't have to do that. Just click on Control plus E. It will directly take you to the search bar and there you have to type or list a command what you want to search for. So with this, we will go into another shortcut that will help you in seeing all the commands that you can use to easily navigate to different location, access content or set of status. So what's that shortcut? That is control plus slash. When you click on control plus slash, you will see certain options like slash activity, slash available, slash away, slash brb. So these are the options you will see while you are clicking control plus slash, which help you in navigating through location, content and set of status. And now let us go further and talk about the another status that will help you in giving your emojis. So when you want to express emotion, we want to make it easy for you to share your emotion through Teams. If you can't find the right emoji in our emoji library, below the message box, here is a shortcut to find many more. So how to do that? That is also quite easy. You don't have to search for the emojis in our message box. You you just type a colon immediately followed by the word to discover additional emojis. Like if you want to find out the emoji of a person, you just have to type colon after that person. Or you want an emoji of an apple. For that you have to type colon after that apple. Like in here I have given an example. So this is very important shortcut. Now let us go further and talk about the shortcuts in shortcuts. So that is also quite funny because in Microsoft Teams, when you click on Control plus full stop, it will open up and show you more shortcuts. Like this is shortcuts in shortcuts. Like when I click on Control plus full stop, there is a dialog box that is keyboard shortcut that opens up and shows these are the general shortcuts that you can use. These are the navigational and these are others. It is very helpful shortcut. If you don't remember other shortcut, just click on control plus full stop. It will show you all the shortcut. So with this point I am going to end this video and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good day.